morning. My name is Tawhidul Islam. I'm working with the LRM lab under Dr. Reza as a research assistant. Today I'm gonna explain how dSPACE works. So for explaining that one, I have to show you how many components do we have in the dSPACE. Actually, we have four components for the dSPACE to work. There is one board which is directly connected to inside this CPU. Then I have one license file. This is the dongle USB, so license file for the dSPACE. Another one I have, this one is called the CP1104. It has the interference with the machine and associated components. And one more thing, we have the software that is called the control desk to run the simulation and everything. Then we have because we want to run a machine or a motor, so that's why we have a PWM generation board. This PWM generation works with the 42 volt DC, that is the DC source. We are having this DC source connected to this port. It actually works with the 36 volt to 42 volt DC, and then we have the output from this PWM board. This goes directly to the machine, and we have this connection. This is the connection terminal for this board to dSPACE. It works through this cable. And for this board we have also a 12 volt analog supply. This actually runs this board for the run. It needs this board needs power, so this power comes from directly from this board. So first of all, we have we will also connect we will also attach a manual that is called aid manual, and we have this test from that manual. You can go through that manual, and you have experiment 1, 2 and 3. I'm gonna explain experiment 3, but if you go to experiment 1, 2 and 3, then you will understand the whole process. Okay, so first of all, we have a simulation file over here. This simulation file, we have to build it. Then after building this simulation file, they will be making a SDF file. That SDF file is read by this dSPACE software, which is called control desk, and then we can work through this with this motor and everything. And we are actually doing here the HIL, that is called the hardware in the loop, or you can call it as a software in the loop. We have a hardware. This is the hardware. This is we can monitor the characteristics and test and everything with this dSPACE system. It's called the hardware in the loop. That means hardware in a loop of the software. Okay, so first of all, we have already developed this model. You will have this model in your manual. You can see that from there. And then we are gonna build this one. After building this, we have already built it. So after build this one, it will generate a .sdf file. That SDF file is recognized or by read by this control desk. This is the control desk, and after reading this control desk of this SDF file, then we have to import a layout as the manual said. Okay, so after I have already imported the manual, or you can make your I have already imported the layout from the files, or you can make it by yourself. So I'm gonna show you how this machine or this everything will work right now. Okay, so first of all, this is the dSPACE. So I'm going to the online, then this is the start measuring. So I'm gonna start measuring. Then we have everything is in online. This is the reset value for the machine, or this is the shutdown value for the machine. We have the current measurement over here. This will measure the current is going inside the machine, and we have the speed measurement in here that will measure the speed of the motor, and everything is going through the hardware in the loop system. Okay, so if we increase the value of the initial value, that means the B motor, so I can just go like this way, and just like I have to reset it again. Okay, it's reset right now. Okay. Okay, so it's reset. We have some fractional current is going inside in the machine. Now if I going to so it will increase the RPM over here, and you can also show in the machine that the motor is start rotating. And if we just increase that one up to 42 volt, you can see there is the machine is going so high and so high. And if you can see over here that if we lower the value, the current will be less. And if we just increase the current instantaneously, there will be a peak in the current. That's actually the current is flowing higher in this machine. That is all, I guess. And if I go to the stop measuring, then it will stop. And if we go offline, then everything will be just off. That's me. Thank you.